Hello and welcome to a video on importing files, players actually, from baseball reference using CSV files. So we're going to start off here by going to our Digital Diamond data files folder, and we're going to create a new folder for the season we're going to import, in this case 2016 season. The next step we're going to do is go to the 2016 season on baseball reference. And we're going to come down here to this menu and we're going to go to the standard pitching data, and we're going to scroll down to the list of pitchers. And then we're going to click on Share and Export, Modify, Export, and Share Table. Now we're going to click on comma separated to get the data in comma separated values. Using Control A and Control C, we can select all and then copy all of the data into the clipboard so that we can paste it into a text file for importing. I'm going to open up my text editor. You could use Notepad if you're on Windows. Be sure to delete this little comment here down on the bottom that's added by baseball reference and any empty lines. And then go up to the very top of the file and be sure to remove everything that they have up above, the comments they have up above, leaving just that header. And then you're all set to save the file. And you're going to want to save it into the 2016 folder that we created at the beginning of this video. Remember, that's in your Digital Diamonds import folder. And this is pitching, so we're going to name it pitching, all lowercase, .text. Now we're going to go and grab the batting, standard batting. And again, scroll down to the list of players, Share and Export, Modify, Export, and Share Table. Comma separated. And now we've got our batting comma separated data. We'll do a Control A and a Control C to copy the information. And then we'll be ready to put it in another text file. Create a new text file here. Again, you could use Notepad if you're on Windows. Again, remove the bottom part and go up to the top and remove the little heading information they put at the top. When you save this file, you're going to save it as batting.txt. Now all we have left to do is the fielding data. Go to baseball reference, and here we're going to go to the pitching fielding first and scroll down to the list of pitchers. Then when we're on the list of pitchers, we're going to go to Share, Export, Modify, Export, and Share Table, just like we've done all along. And now we're going to hit comma separated, and again use Control A, Control C to copy the fielding data for pitchers. Create a new text file, paste it in, and again, remove the bottom part that was added and the top part that was added. And this time we're going to save this as fielding p.text in our 2016 folder. All right, now the remaining fielding positions have to be downloaded. And I won't do this in the video, but it's the same thing we just did for pitcher, but we want to do it from catcher through outfield. That'll give us 10 fielding files. And you want to use the same format here, fielding C, fielding 1B, fielding 2B, fielding 3B, all the way up to fielding OF. You can see here, here's a list of all the files that have been created from baseball reference and placed in the 2016 folder of the Digital Diamond Baseball V9 data files folder. And at this point, we're ready to do the import in Digital Diamond Baseball. We'll start with a new library. I'll just call it Import Test. And then, once the library is created, we'll open it up to the main menu. And then we're going to go over to the Player Editor, which is where we can import these files. Once inside the import player, you want to go to Import Generate and then Import Players from Baseball Reference. This is basically where you do CSV importing. But by default, it'll use baseball reference formatting. You want to click here to browse to the file where you put all of the folder where you put all of your import files. Remember, we put that in Import 2016. Once you pick that folder, you click on Autofill and it'll populate all of the importing files that it finds in the folder. Next, and this is important, you want to enter the year. This is for 2016. You don't have to put anything in for the team because there are multiple teams. And then click on Import, and the import will start. Okay, the import has completed, And we're going to jump out here, and you can see there all of the players imported into the file. And here are all the teams. At this point, you're ready to finish your library by editing the organization, maybe adding a schedule, and whatever else you want to do to customize this library for the teams that you've just imported. This is just the first in a series of importing CSV files. Be sure to check out the other videos to see how to import them from your own custom CSV files.